and try to run the servo example connecting to my robot on VEXcode. Robot's connected. I'm gonna go to File, Open Examples. I'm gonna try to find Servo. Looks like they're in alphabetical order, so go down to the S's and click on Servo Movements. That has a program that's just going to cycle through different degrees with a wait set time of 2 seconds in between each one per servo A. I can also verify which device it is that's going to be getting that command, and they have a servo on port A that this is going to run. Then I'm going to push it to the robot and choose which slot you want it to be. I'll choose 7, then click download. It wants me to save. And then I'll try to run the program. So currently it started running the program, but my port A does not have these little header pin jumpers that need to go between this extension cable and my servo A. So on this, there should be male pins being plugged in. These extension cables are keyed, so they can only go in one direction. And it should be all the way in seated. It kind of sits flush with the edge. The whole black connector is fully in. And then I'm gonna put the jumper pin between the extension cable and the servo. Okay, so that's put straight in. And notice white wire is connected with the white wire and the black wire is in line with the black wire. The order matters for it to work. Alright, that's fully attached. Exit out of the program and try to start the program again. And now the servo is cycling through.